All right, this is a follow-up. This is the Ulanzi hiker tripod. This is perfect for hiking, the TT35. So we have a small tripod like this, holds bigger cameras, and you have these 3 legs right here where you can use one as a monopod and the other one's as hiking sticks. It's just like a transformer of a tripod because you have all these options. For one, you have this little tripod, which you can actually even move the legs out a little bit if you need to adjust it to certain grounds and like if it's uneven. And it's carbon fiber, so it's really strong. You put your camera right on there with the arc mount where you can loosen that and then you can pan it. And then you have the ball head underneath that where you can move it around like that, or you can even go sideways for vertical filming, lock that into place. And then another option is you can actually just remove the ball head part from the mini tripod, just like that. I love how quickly that works. So it just snaps right into place, just like that. Boom, done. So then if you wanted to do a monopod, you can actually just put that ball head right on the monopod. And now you have this monopod with long legs that are adjustable, and you can just snap them into place and even work on the tightness of that if you need to. And it's got a really nice foam grip to it. And what's cool about that is that you can take this little mini tripod and put that at the bottom of your monopod and clip that into place just like the rest of them. And you can flatten this thing out. And now you have like a little monopod tripod. So it works like so, so you can stand it up. Done, right? And then again, you can attach this to the other ones and have like a proper longer tripod, but they like to show you that you can use these, and I've used them like this as hiking sticks. So you put them around your wrist, and I use these hiking and support my weight, and they're really strong. And I love that you can adjust them. So it depends on how tall you are. You can have it at longer lengths, but it makes it so much easier when you're hiking. You have all this gear. You don't have to have a tripod as well as hiking sticks. Plus you can just have your camera, just pop it on there as a monopod. And yeah, you're just making life a lot easier with less gear. It's just a lot better when you're hiking and you just want to have a little bit more support. So I really like these a lot. They're so great. If you want to go on hikes and take your cameras with you, something you should look into. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.